Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful DeLonghi DONNA EVO S espresso machine. It comes to us, the customer was concerning the coffee didn't come out from the drip. When I tried to test it, nothing was working in the machine. I start like nothing, literally, like no, the grinder not working, and the stuff like works. It was like in a slow motion. Then when I open the machine and I start like testing, I figure out like it is in a European style. It's not from the US market. It's 220 machine, so it will never work on a 110. So I put it on a 220 and I find out it needs a tune-up. So I make a tune-up, I lubricate all the moving parts in the machine, replace all the gasket and replace the pro unit in the machine, this one. So let's go ahead and test it and make an espresso shot on it. Espresso. Got this perfect shot with the thick creamer on it and 3 layers, and it's really tasty. So let's test the hot water. I'm doing it here outside because I want to be close to the outlet, the 220. This is good enough. And let's test also the steamer. I worked great too. So yeah, all the machine functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.